Thank you for your attention over the next few minutes as you learn more about the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. My name is Lucas DiBartolo, and I am the Manager of Special Initiatives at Pocono Mountains United Way. I have run United Way's Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program for the past 2 years, and I will be your main point of contact throughout the entire VITA season. Pocono Mountains United Way is a nonprofit organization that has been serving Monroe County for over 75 years. We provide various health and human services and have greatly expanded our programming and outreach during COVID with efforts such as our Crisis Response Fund and Hospitality and Restaurant Worker Relief Fund among our usual programs. VITA is the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. So what this is a program that utilizes volunteers to prepare taxes for low to moderate income families and individuals who earn less than $57,000 per year. So volunteers prepare returns free of charge to help those in need and save taxpayers on average over $150 per return. That money goes right back into our community, and we also ensure the proper usage of tax credits such as earned income tax credit, of which 20% of the eligible population for the earned income tax credit do not claim it every year. So that's something that the VITA program focuses on, ensuring not just that the returns are accurate, but that they have all the credits back that people qualify for, while providing all of that for free. Requirements to volunteer. You don't need to have a historical knowledge of income taxes, but you should be familiar with basic financial concepts. You must pass certification tests that are fully open note, open book, and open software using TaxSlayer, which is the software that we will be using to prepare returns. It's not paper and pencil, it does utilize software. You must pass background checks and have a willingness to learn. The program this year will be completely virtual. There's no need to be local or no need to be present at one of our sites as it usually would be in previous years. So that's a benefit for everyone. Site coordinators and quality reviewers will review all returns, which means that you're never the only person looking at a return. You can always get virtual assistance via video conferencing, not just from the site coordinator, but also from other preparers that are working on their returns at the same time. And you could talk through things and work through issues. So you're never alone preparing your tax returns. And every return will be looked at, even after complete, by a quality reviewer to make sure that we're good to go and really providing the service that is beneficial to our clients. We will be preparing basic returns only, which means that we will not be focused on individuals who own real estate, like rental properties or businesses or anything like that. Training. You will be completely trained from start to finish with an IRS certified training program, and you will receive a certificate, multiple certificates from that training program when you're complete with your training. There's also supplemental video series, other online learning series. There's ebooks, physical IRS publications if you prefer that, and we will have a multitude of trainings via Zoom for myself and as other trainers throughout January. Training will cover common tax forms, filing statuses, differences and things that you need to complete on the federal, state, and local returns, the TaxSlayer tax software, the intake interview, quality review process, kind of how the whole return process goes, and more. So benefits of volunteering. This is going to give you some real world experience, not just with taxes, which is very important if you plan to go into the tax field, but also with clients, which is great for understanding how to manage that interaction and deal with that side of things. You will be issued a certificate of completion at the end of the season, which is great for your resume. And last but not least, the program helps those most in need in our community. and you're really able to support the community just by donating some of your time. Next steps, if you're still interested in learning more, please complete this volunteer interest form, and I'll be in touch before the new year. And if you have any additional questions, please reach out to me via email. That's lucas@poconounitedway.org. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you all at our next Zoom meetings, and you can fill out the form at tinyurl.com/2021 VITA Volunteers. Thanks so much for your interest.